There is a lot to be excited about with the iPhone 15, including its 5G-ready chipset, better cameras, jaw-dropping features, and longer battery life. Everyone is curious about the rumored iPhone 15, which has been the subject of much speculation. That's why you need to watch this video to find out the truth behind the rumors. Design. The design of the iPhone 15 models, as far as we can tell from rumors, will be relatively similar to the design of the iPhone 14 models, with the exception of the pill and hole cutout, which will be featured on all of the series of devices to be unveiled. As a result, not a single variant of the iPhone 15 will have a notch. Rather, they will all make use of the same dynamic island design that is present on the iPhone 14 Pro.
The camera module remained the same, the design, even the processor is roughly identical performance-wise. This is truly a minor upgrade for cheaper models. Pro iPhones, however, have seen more noticeable improvements.
Moreover, as expected, the Lightning connector is being phased away by Apple in the upcoming iPhone's design. Thus far, the only rumor that holds any water as a serious possibility. The iPhone 15, the iPhone 15 Pro, the iPhone 15 Max, and the iPhone 15 Pro Max are all anticipated to remain in Apple's product lineup for the foreseeable future, since there won't be any dramatic change. Mark Gurman from Bloomberg's claims Apple might potentially replace the Pro Max version of the iPhone 15 with a new Ultra model. There will be a regular version of the iPhone 15 that costs less and has less features, and there will also be a Pro version of the iPhone 15 that costs more and has more features. For identification, Apple might possibly stick with Face ID instead of Touch ID or go with both. The fun doesn't stop there, however. Apple, thanks to its acquisition of Intel, is almost certainly going to launch a 5G modem. Specifically, it's built inside the iPhone 15 this time. How true is that? Keep watching the video and you'll find out soon. Cameras. One of the first rumors that circulated about the iPhone 15 was that it will be equipped with a new camera, which would be a notable upgrade over the version that is now available, the iPhone 14. The megapixel count of the iPhone 14 Pro versions was boosted to 48 megapixels, and there are now rumors that the iPhone 15 will incorporate a periscope camera for improved long-range shooting as well as magnification capabilities. Truth is, Apple has not disclosed a lot of information about its upcoming generation cameras, but let's be in anticipation of a new periscope camera. 5G modem.
What did you say?
Yes, you heard that right. Apple is set to release its own 5G modem in the next generation iPhone series after coming to the conclusion that developing its own modem was the best course of action upon a history of utilizing modems that was less than stellar. To this point, Apple's iPhone 5G modem requirements have been satisfied by Qualcomm. However, since Intel decided to leave the modem industry, Apple has been able to capitalize on the opportunity and purchase the company from Intel. Apple is known for maintaining a high level of control over its products, and the incorporation of a built-in modem would make the overall user experience for the company's consumers far better. Producing its own modems might result in an improvement in the efficiency with which it integrates modem technology into Apple Silicon. Get the jump on what to expect when the next iteration of Apple's flagship smartphone hits the market. Don't miss out. Subscribe to our channel now for the latest news and updates. Foldable iPhone 15. Prior to entering a new market, Apple often waits until they have stability,
which makes it unique.
Since the promise of the foldable market has not yet been fully realized, the market for such devices is still relatively young. Thus the crinkled screens and under-optimized software. In spite of this, reports suggest that Apple is actively working on technologies that will make folding devices a reality. Based on their patents, Apple may release the iPhone Fold in 2023 as a flagship model for the iPhone 15 line. There will be an abundance of novel folding technologies, such as cutting-edge hinge technology, foldable batteries, and flexible panels. Considering that Apple hasn't confirmed any intentions to create a foldable iPhone, this information should be taken with a grain of salt. Even if this turns out to be true, how much will the iPhone 15 go for?
I don't even want to think about it.
We'll tell you, so hang on. Processor. The new A17 CPU, the most powerful ARM v7-8 processor, will be yet another way in which the iPhone 15 Pro stands apart from the rest of the iPhone lineup. It is expected that the A17 processor will make use of new 3nm chips from longtime chip supplier TSMC, which will improve power consumption and minimize heat production. With the 3nm technology, performance may be increased by 15%, while power consumption is reduced by 30%. Price and release date. If history is any indication, the iPhone 15 series will be unveiled by Apple in September 2023. In addition, it's quite unlikely that Apple would alter its pricing strategy for the iPhone 14. In that case, Apple's iPhone pricing may very well soar to above $2,000 without much of a fuss. The iPhone 15 Fold would be a high-end model with a price tag of at least $1,499, and maybe as much as $2,099 under certain instances. That puts the entry-level price of the Pro versions at roughly $1,000 and the entry-level price of the ordinary models at around $800. There are likely many more details about the iPhone 15, but this is all we have for now. However, Apple's iPhone 15 is expected to be a bestseller. Contrary to that, the S23 has a lot more cutting-edge options. Watch our video showcasing the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra to learn about the cutting-edge capabilities and other features.